Welcome to Fractions Year 5. Today we are going to be learning all about fractions. Stay tuned!
Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written as the fraction of two integers. For example, 1/2 is a rational number and so is 4, because it can be written as 4/1.
Well, what are fractions? Fractions describe equal parts of a whole. There are three types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numerals. Proper fractions. A proper fraction has a numerator less than its denominator. Look at the pictures for some examples. Now it's your turn to list some. An improper fraction, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. An improper fraction is when the numerator is less than or equal to the denominator. It's just the opposite of a proper fraction. Now it's your turn to list some. Well, we now know what proper fractions are. We know what improper fractions are. But what about mixed numerals? A mixed numeral consists of both a whole number and a fraction. Here are some examples. We must also bear in mind that mixed numbers and improper fractions show the same amount. A mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. When looking at the picture, we can see that we have 7/4 drawn using 2 squares, which also equals 1 whole and 3/4.
To express an improper fraction as a mixed numeral, there are 3 key steps. First, we divide the numerator by the denominator, then we write down the whole number answer, and to conclude, we write down any remainder above the denominator. Let's have a go at converting 7/4 to a mixed numeral using these steps. 7 divided by 4 equals 1 remainder 3. This means we have 1 whole, so we write down our 1 whole answer and then the remainder above the denominator, just like this. To express the mixed numeral as an improper fraction, we first multiply the whole part number by the fraction's denominator. Add that to the numerator and then write that result on top of the denominator. To convert 1 3/4 to an improper fraction, we must multiply 1 at 4, which gives us 4. Next, we add 3 to that answer, which gives us 7. We then write this answer above the denominator from the mixed numeral, and we get 7/4.
And that concludes our introduction on fractions. See you next time, Year 5.